All right, front fender. I kind of have it half-ass clamped to the thing there, which gives me a little bit of, as long as I don't go crazy with it, I should be all right. Same thing on this. I'm going to attempt to do the center here. Sounds like a plan, doesn't it? Really making a mess out of this. Here. I'll just tack that. And then I want to just kind of find my edges here. See how that goes. That looks pretty good. These guys are just wanna that may need a little heat. That lays down there. This would probably be easier on the bike, but then I got a bike sitting in here for however long this takes me. Probably could have went up a little bit, but I'm happy with it. If I got to trim it, I will. Do this side. Now I want to try to match this just so it looks, so my gaps look even. So if you get bunches up like that, circles, try to push it away from the peak, push it out both sides in little circles if you can. Spreads the material out and doesn't let it touch itself. Okay, that's good. Now we've just got these. And you don't want to distort your lines, because that's what makes a straight line design like this look good. Straight lines. And that was a little off here, and that's from the cutting being off a little bit, because I know it's centered in my file. Everything is centered up. All right, so that is white into the blue into the black, and then the black on this will go flow into that. So white, blue, black, black, blue, white, yellow. That's key. I'm going to trim this a little bit. This one fell right on the edge. This one fell right on the border. Trim that off there. That way nothing's catching it. It's seated fully to the edge. Okay. Train. Number plates. This one goes, yeah. I'm going to start on a big end though, because this really curves. I may have to, you know, do a little manipulation. This stuff is sticky. I like that. Now this, I may have to tweak a little bit, like that. Not terrible. Not terrible at all. Let's get this down. There's got to be an edge here somewhere. There it is. Follows that nicely and wraps up under the seat. Oh man, what a good template. Yep, very nice. And then this, again, I'm going to start on a flat part and let it go over. And there. Nope. Since that was so good, let's go right off of that. See where that falls. Backing up a little bit. That's nice. That falls into there. Start working radius here to get that up over that hump. Whoa, easy guy. There we go. And that wants to get into that crease there. Maybe could have came down a little bit, but I'm good through here, and this is perfect through here. And that's pretty, maybe could have came down a little bit, but you know what? It's on there now, so that's where it's staying. Yeah. Trim that quick with a new blade. Just carefully on that highlight of the ridge. Use that as a guide. And taper it into that. It's not much, but that looks better like that. Okay, very nice. I'll just use those holes for alignment. Try not to pull too hard on that because it'll rip the corner. I was already trying to, so we're going to go from this side. And again, I'm going to use this line and that hole for my alignment. This one doesn't taper as much because the exhaust is on the other side, so that bulges out quite a bit. And this one is just normal. And move this down. You can manipulate this stuff pretty well while it's laying down. I'll find an edge here. There it is. That hole lines up good. This, I think, can come up a little bit. Out of that ridge. And that's on. This side had more of these cuts like this, maybe because it bends a little bit more, but man, they lay in there perfect. Better than I can do with a tape measure, and I mean, it would take me 2 days to get all this templates done. That's good. I mean, very nice stuff.